Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers. Plug the Xbox 360 wired guitar into the PC or connect the wireless receiver, then power the guitar. Once connected, Windows may try to install drivers automatically. If it fails, run the 360 driver installer or use Zadig to bind the correct driver. Make sure Clone Hero is already downloaded and extracted so you can test input immediately. This step avoids confusion later and ensures the OS recognizes the controller before configuring in software. Next, open Clone Hero and go straight to Settings, then Controls. Choose X input if the 360 guitar shows as an Xbox controller. If not, select D input and manually map strum, fret buttons, tilt, whammy, and star power. Press each guitar input while assigning so you capture exact events. Once done, test in the calibration/test screen and play a short song. If buttons repeat or stick, adjust repeat delay and dead zone settings to stabilize input recognition before moving on. Finally, calibrate audio and latency so notes align with your inputs. Select the correct audio device and tweak latency milliseconds until timing feels natural. Save your control profile inside Clone Hero so you don't remap later, then run a full song to confirm strumming, fret detection, whammy, and star power all work. If something fails, make sure the receiver is bound. Try reassigning in Windows or use Zadig to reinstall drivers. And check batteries or swap the USB cable. Those fixes resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.